Justices of the appeal court led by the President, Justice Monica Dongban-Mensem, converged at the ceremonial court for the 2023-2024 legal year celebration in Abuja. In attendance are the Chief Justice of Nigeria, Justice Olukayode Ariwola, retired justices of the Supreme Court, members of the Bar and Bench, the Attorney General of the Federation and Minister of Justice, Minister of the Federal Capital Territory, among others. The President of the Appellate Court gives a breakdown of the cases and motions filed in the outgoing year, just as she calls for internal harmony among politicians to reduce the number of cases that gets to court.
Democracy is beautiful. It is the way to go. However, politicians should, in the interest of our national economic development, imbibe the spirit of good sportsmanship. They should please pay more attention to internal democracy and exercise a spirit of loyalty to a cause which necessarily entails letting go in the interest of discipline and internal harmony.
Under the welfare for judicial officers, she also calls for immediate accommodation, a move that the Minister of the FCT, Nyesom Wike, promises will be treated accordingly. He also calls for the cooperation of the Judiciary as the ministry rejuvenates the FCT.
We are fully committed to implementing certain reforms that will not only restore the glory of the Federal Capital Territory, but also make it a source of pride for every Nigerian. As we diligently work towards realizing this vision of rejuvenating the FCT, we implore the Judiciary to also cooperate with us.
According to the Attorney General of the Federation and Minister of Justice, it's important for the Judiciary to improve its credibility by avoiding conflicting decisions.
For improved credibility and certainty in the judicial process through adherence to established precedents and avoidance of conflicting decisions, compliance with ethics or code of conduct for judicial officers to sustain integrity and public confidence.
The justices were also commended for their hard work and advised not to be discouraged despite criticisms from different quarters.
Members of the bench, in carrying out the functions of their office, must always bear on their shoulders the duty of ensuring that there is no appearance whatsoever of compromise on their part. Nothing should be done which creates a suspicion that there has been an improper interference with the course of justice.
Court begins its new legal year. The focal point for most of these justices and members of the bench is the welfare of the judiciary and upholding the tenets of the profession, among others. Emmanuela Ekele, Channels Television News.